welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a makeup routine on what I do when I have a breakout or when I have acne. So as you guys can tell here and here. But yeah, so I'm basically going to show you guys what I do as far as like foundation and literally everything. Why not? But yeah, if you guys want to see the look I create, then make sure you guys stay tuned. But before we get started, make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button down below for me, and give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm not gonna lie, it is so frustrating, you know, like when I get a breakout, and it's not even like that time of the month for me, so I'm just really confused on that. But yeah, I mean, I have been like stressing out a lot lately, so it's probably just like a stress breakout. But so first and foremost, we're just gonna prep the skin here. Every single time I do have a breakout, I always go in with some witch hazel, and that helps really just tone down all of like the redness and stuff that's going on my face, because literally like everybody else that has acne, literally I pick at my face. So yeah, but anyway, so this is the witch hazel that I use. It's literally like my favorite. I've never used anything else. And this one is the pore perfecting toner. Alright, and then yeah, so as you guys can see, it's already starting to take away like the redness. But okay. Ooh. I'm also gonna prep my lips here. And of course, to prep my lips, I went in with my EOS lip balm, and I do believe this one's mint chocolate chip. Alright, so for primer, you guys already know I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Prime. Alright, and of course as well, I'm also going to go in with my NYX pore filler. Alright guys, and then for concealer, we're going to go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And then we're just going to go in with my Moda 803 brush. Alright, and to set that, of course I'm going to go in with my Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. Alright guys, so for foundation, we're going to go in with my Bare Minerals Matte Powder Foundation. Alright guys, and of course just to set the powder foundation, we're going to go back in with the Coty Airspun. Alright, and then just to make sure everything like looks set and that way it doesn't look like, you know, like a powder finish, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Alright, so for contouring, I'm gonna go back in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. And I'm going to go in with this lighter shade right here. Alright guys, and then to highlight the higher points of my face, I'm going to go in with this powder right here. Alright guys, for blush, I'm going to go in with my NARS Orgasm Blush. This is this pretty guy right here. Alright guys, and then for actual highlights, I've actually been doing a combination of these two. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Precious Petals, and also with my Hard Candy Glow All the Way Bronzer in the shade Tiki. Alright guys, so I'm just going to do my brows off camera real quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now that my brows are done, I'm just going to go back in and set my face one more time. But yeah, so that's literally what I do when I have a breakout. So hopefully this helps you guys, you know, if you're going through like a breakout. I mean, clearly you can tell that like I have acne, but it's not as, you know, prominent as it would be, you know, if I did it with like liquid foundation, just because literally when I put liquid on top of my breakout, it really accentuates it. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!